Hello everybody, this is my friend Michael Kane. I met Michael in January in the cold shelter when we were both waiting to get a bed. He's an elderly gentleman, but you know what? He's had a long, interesting life. Good times, bad times, but I don't think he's ever had a boring time. So to my surprise, Michael is a master woodworker. And a while back, here is a collection of one of his favorite topics, naked women. And he's made these hand sculpted statues, I guess statuette. And he's looking to sell them. But on the other side, we're running into a bit of a problem for him as he's needing funds for more supplies. So if you would like to donate, I assure you it's not going for any drugs, just woodworking supplies. Our goal is to get enough money to get him a lathe. And I mean, you just have to look at the details in this. Michael tells me that these are girls he's actually met. Can you imagine the conversation piece in your home if you had some of these figurines? So please, if you'd like to buy some, contact me. Or if you'd like to make a donation to help buy him some supplies. Good wood is expensive. And hey, how hard is it to give a couple bucks to a senior citizen who's given so much to this country? Thank you.